Alright, this is a quick video. I'm about to show y'all what we're going to be doing to the car next. And basically all type of shit we about to be putting on the channel. But first off, we're going to do a motherfucking oil catch can. I'm probably going to do that next week. You probably seen videos that basically goes right here. You unhook this hose and you hook that up there. So that's going to be the first thing we're going to do probably next week for sure. I'm going to get the Dynamic Halo headlights. Those only like 140. I'm gonna put a link for everything I'm probably talking about in the video. And if I don't, then when I do the install, I'll put the link in that video. Next, we're gonna get some new rims. Like these are 20-inch factory rims that came on here. We're gonna put 22s, 275s in the back or 305s. I'm still debating. 275s in the front. And probably gonna wrap the car. If I don't wrap it, then I'm gonna put some type of graphic on the side or on the front, stripes or something. But for right now, I'm just gonna ride like this. I like this colorway. So if anything, I probably don't wrap the whole car. I'll probably just put some type of designs on the side or some shit like that. And I'm thinking about getting the, fuck, I forgot what it's called. Damn, what the fuck is that shit called? And come over here. So on the inside, I may do the trim, you know, the trim that you put on the door and throughout here. I was thinking about just getting the light trim, the one that light up, and just put it on the doors. Or I may do the one that goes all around right here. And for the inside, probably just gonna do, yeah, the trim and the floor mats. I'm gonna get some custom floor mats. So I'm working on design for those right now. So that's that. And that's pretty much it. For right now, that's all I think about. Like, there's a whole list of shit that I'm gonna do to the car. I got a lot of new content coming to the channel. I'm meeting up with people that stay out here. I'm starting a car club. So first off, we're gonna do a couple of races. We're gonna put a couple of races on the channel, and then, you know, still gonna be doing sneaker shit, do a couple of vlogs and whatnot. But it's mainly a car channel. We also gonna do audio. So I'm thinking if I want to do the same like 12s that I had in my last car, or put the ones on the side. I ain't even pop the trunk because I got some bullshit in my trunk, but I'm gonna switch out all these speakers. These Alpine speakers that came in the car, these shits don't rock. Like, they rock better than just the factory regular ones, but they don't hit hard enough. So I'm gonna switch out all the speakers, subwoofer. Like I said, we're gonna put the new wheels on here, 22s. 305s to 275s in the back, 275s in the front, some type of wrap or some shit on the car, oil catch can, halo lights, and that's all I think of off the rip. Like I said, it's just a video talking about the shit that I'm gonna add to the car, the type of shit we about to bring to the channel. So, you know, if you stay out here, tap in. If you got like a Camaro, Challenger, Charger, Mustang, tap in, we can meet up. I'm meeting up with somebody today. I'm meeting up with somebody on this coming Saturday. When, I don't know, today is Thursday, I'm probably gonna put this video up the same day, so stay tuned for that. You know, like, comment, subscribe. You see the sub count, you see we hit 2K. We're gonna keep going up. I think I got this car 2 months ago from the day, and we didn't got like 800 subs in 2 months, so we're just gonna keep going like that. And if you're a hater, drop a comment, I'm gonna delete it. If you're a supporter, drop a comment, I'm gonna reply, like it. And that's just how we rock.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I actually said. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, and now I'm out here getting rich.